All right, today I figured we'd build another one of these Radio Shack stem kits since it's my birthday and all. In the last video, I built this one. And this is the super stereo ear. And like I said in that video, quality is outstanding. But there is absolutely no documentation to explain how the circuit works. Now, sure, you're going, well, yeah, it's a dual op amp, boosts the circuit. Well, of course it does. But these kits are geared for kids, youngsters learning about electronics, and they're not going to learn anything from this. Except, how to solder. But anyway, I digress. Let's take a look at this one. This is the Build It electronic clock kit. And it is part number 2770346 from Radio Shack. All right, let's see what we got. We have a tactile switch, or as it says here, a dip button, 1 pieces. We have 2 resistors, 100K, 5%, quarter watt, 2 pieces. We have an IC, and as you can see, if it'll focus, there we go. It is a PIC 16F690. So what's that tell you? This is a microcontroller driven clock. Dual AA battery holder. 4-digit 7-segment display. Manual. 2 100 nanofarad capacitors. Ceramic disc. Board. Male header pins, and a jumper. All right, let's look at the board here. Let me zoom in. So this is the white fiberglass board, just like the last kit. Very nicely constructed. Yeah, I mean, it's high quality. Not going to go wrong with that. But you ain't going to learn anything by building this, except how to solder. All right, so here's the manual. Tells you required tools, component list, notes about the resistors and capacitors. IC must be oriented correctly. It has a debug interface. Well, that's nice. So you can play with the PIC if you have like a PIC Kit 2 or PIC Kit 3. Install batteries, how to set the timer. Before you begin, some hints on soldering. Well, now this is nice. Okay, this is much better than the other kit. Okay, here we've got a pinout of the header for programming the PIC. And then we have a complete diagram of how the 4-digit 7-segment goes together. Very nice. Then we have a schematic of the circuit. Now this is significantly better documentation than the other kit. I like this kit now. All right, I'm going to build it. This will be a high-speed build, be sped up about 25 times, and set to pleasant music. I'll be back. All right, so that took me exactly 10 minutes and 54 seconds. Very easy kit to put together. I like how they've got these battery wires here for strain relief. I do not like that the pick is soldered directly into the board. I would have liked to have seen a socket for it. So we put on the jumper. If I can get it out of the bag. And some batteries. My trusty Rayovac rechargeables that I've had since about 2006, I think. They've held up very well. All right, the moment of truth. She's a-working. Let me turn out these lights here so you guys can see it. No, you can't really see it. All right, let's see what I do with those instructions. Press and hold the dip button until the 2 dots flash. Now that is really dim. Hold on, I'm going to put some different batteries in. All right, we got a different flavor. We have some Sunbeam Super Heavy Duties. Let's see if this makes it any brighter. Yeah. There we go. That made a difference. All right, press and hold the dip button until the 2 dots flash to enter setting mode. Repeatedly press the dip button. Wow. Would it have killed him to add another button here? One for the hours, perhaps? Good thing I got fast thumbs. All those years of video games really paying off. Hang on. We're almost there. Looks like 442. And when you don't touch it for 3 seconds, it should lock itself in place. There you have it. So, another fine stem kit from Radio Shack. No blinking second dots. Only one button to set the time. Completely driven by a pick. But the pick does seem to be programmable. So perhaps in the future, we'll piss around with this and see what else we can make it do. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment. I'd like it if you would share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you waiting for? I'll see you next time.